Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Daisy Apparel. This week's video is a continuation of my Dorm and Thread series, which if you've been following along, you'll know that soon I'll be going to college and I'm working to make different decor items for my college dorm room. This has been a really fun series to work on. I'm excited for today's project, which is to make 2 bulletin boards for my college dorm. So one of these boards is big and the other one's more of a medium size, and both of which are going to kind of follow the theme of my dorm, which is like a coastal theme. So I'll be using lots of blues and then some muted colors in general for this. I'm also hoping to have some Bible verses and inspiring quotes to keep me inspired and grounded every day while I'm in college. So currently both these bulletin boards have been up in my room and they're currently decorated for my current bedroom, which there isn't really a clear theme, but I still think they're cute. However, because they don't really match my dorm room theme, I'll be redoing them in today's video. So I'll pop in some footage of what they currently look like, but I've also printed out some new prints that are more of the coastal theme, and then also I've demonstrated like painting and then handwriting and drawing different things for them. And a while ago I started scrapbooking and I got a lot of like pieces of pre-cut paper for that, so I'll be using lots of those too also in these bulletin boards. If you love home decor, crafting DIYs, and making your space your own and unique, you're going to love this project, so come and follow along with me as I redecorate these bulletin boards. This is what the smaller bulletin board currently looks like. And this is what the larger bulletin board currently looks like. I still think it's really cute, I just want to update it so that way it matches my dorm room theme. So these bulletin boards have really started to come together. I'm so happy with how they currently look, which if you want to see them like on my wall and all decorated, be sure to stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll actually be moving into my dorm and decorating it all. You'll be able to see the final product and how they all look. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the rest of these DIYs for my dorm and other fun crafting content like this. Thanks for being here today and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!